Hi, my dear students. Welcome back to our English class. Unit 1, Lesson 1, 3 questions written by Leo Tolstoy. Today we are going to see the questions and answers of this lesson. First question, what was the 3 questions that the king asked? Answer, the 3 questions asked by the king were, what was the right time for every action? Who were the right people to be with? What was the most important thing to do? Second question, why did the king want to know the answers of his 3 questions? Answer, the king wanted to know the answers of his 3 questions because he thought that he could become a successful ruler. Third question, what did he do to find answers to his questions? Answer, the king declared rewards for the people who gave him satisfying answers. Fourth question, was he satisfied with the answers he received? Why? Answer, no, the king was not satisfied with the answers he received because all the answers were different and the king could not agree with none of them. Fifth question, whom did the king finally approach for the answers? Answer, the king finally approached the hermit for the answers. Sixth question, what was the hermit doing when the king reached the hermit's hut? Answer, the hermit was digging the ground when the king reached the hermit's hut. Seventh question, how did the king go to the hermit? Answer, the king dressed as a commoner and left behind his bodyguard and went to the hermit's hut. Eighth question, how did the king and the hermit nurse the bearded man? Answer, the king and the hermit nursed and bandaged his wound until the blood stopped. Ninth question, describe the train events that took place when the king was waiting for the answers. Answer, when the king was waiting for the answers, some of them told that the king should follow a timetable. Others told that it was not possible to decide the right time for doing something in advance. Second question, some of them told that the king should listen his counselor, the priest, doctor and warriors. For the third question, some of them told that the world was signed, skilled in warfare and religious. Second Roman letter, paragraph. What were the king's questions? How did the king find answers to his questions? Answer. Once there was a king who wanted to become a successful ruler. He thought that he could become a better ruler if he knew the answers of his 3 questions. The questions were, what was the right time for every action? Who were the right people to be with? What was the most important thing to do? He declared rewards for the people who gave him satisfying answers. Many people came, but their answers were all different. He was not satisfied with these answers. He decided to meet the hermit for getting answers. The hermit would see only ordinary people. The king dressed as a commoner in order to visit a hermit. He went to the woods with a bodyguard and told him to stay and watch for followers. The hermit was digging the ground when the king reached there. He repeated his questions several times, but the hermit did not answer. The king helped the hermit travel for a day. Then they saw a bearded man who was badly wounded in his stomach running towards them. The king and the hermit nursed him and bandaged his wounds. He gave fresh water to him. He stayed the night in the hermit's hut. Next morning, the bearded man told that he was the king's enemy, and the king killed his brother in battle and seized his property. He came to kill the king, but he was wounded by the king's bodyguard. As the king saved his life, he wanted to become his most loyal servant. The king repeated the questions to the hermit before leaving. The hermit said that the king already found his answers through his deeds. The hermit replied that the most important time was when the king was digging the beds for the hermit. The hermit was the most important person, and the most important business was to help the hermit. In the same way, the most important time was when the king was dressing the bearded man's wound. That man was the most important person, and service rendered to him was the king's most important business. Thank you, my dear students. Learn well. Take care of your health.